Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we will discuss about chief ministers and governors of Balochistan. Balochistan is one of the 4 provinces of Pakistan. It is the largest province in terms of land area, forming the southwestern region of the country, but is the least populated. Okay, so here is the list of chief ministers of Balochistan. First chief minister of Balochistan was Nawab Ataullah Meghal. He entered office 1st May 1972 and he left office February 13, 1973. He belongs to National Awami Party. After that, the second chief minister of Balochistan was Jam Ghulam Qadir Khan. For the first time he was elected. He entered office 27th April 1973 and he left office December 31st, 1974, and he also belongs to Pakistan People's Party. Muhammad Khan Birozi. He started his generation from 7 December 1976 and he left office 5th of July 1977. He belongs to Pakistan People's Party. Jam Ghulam Qadir Khan. He entered office 6th April 1985 and he left office 29th May 1988. Mir Zafarullah Khan. He entered office June 24, 1988 and he left office December 24, 1988. He belongs to Islami Jamhuri Ittihad. Khudabakhsh Malik. He entered office 24th December 1988 and he left office February 5th, 1989. He belongs to Balochistan High Court judge. His authority was as a judge of Balochistan High Court. Nawab Akbar Khan Bhutti. He entered office 5th February 1989 and he left office 7th of August 1990 and he belongs to Balochistan National Alliance. Mir Humayun Khan Mari, caretaker. He entered office 7th August 1990 and he left office 17th of November 1990. Taj Muhammad Jamali. He entered office 17th November and he left office 22nd of May 1993 and he belongs to Islami Jamhuri Ittihad. Mir Zulfikar Ali Bagzi. He entered office 13th of May 1993 and he left office 19th of July 1993 and he was independent candidate. Muhammad Nasir Meghal. He entered office 19th July 1993 and he left office 20th October 1993. He was independent candidate. Mir Zulfikar Ali Bagzi. For the second time, he entered office 20th October 1993 and he left office 9th November 1996. He was also independent candidate. Mir Zafarullah Khan Jamali. He was caretaker for the second time. He entered office November 9, 1996 and he left office February 22nd, 1997. He was also independent candidate. Nawab Akhtar Meghal. He entered office February 22nd, 1997 and he left office July 29, 1998. He belongs to Balochistan National Party. Mir Jan Muhammad Jamali. He entered office 13th of August 1998 and he left office 12th October 1999. He was independent candidate. 16th was Jam Muhammad Yusuf. He entered office 1st December 2002 and he left office 19th November 2007. He belongs to Pakistan Muslim League Q. Muhammad Saleh Bhuttani. He entered office 19 November 2007 and he left office 8th April 2008. Nawab Aslam Raisani. He entered office 9th April 2008 and he left office 14th January 2013. He belongs to Pakistan People's Party. After that there was governor's rule that was from 14th July 2013 to March 13, 2013. Nawab Aslam Raisani. He entered office 13th March 2013 and he left office 23rd March 2013. He belongs to Pakistan People's Party. Ghaus Bakhsh Barozi. He was acting. He entered office 23rd March 2013 and he left office 7th of June 2013. Dr. Abdul Malik Baloch. He entered office June 7, 2013 and he belongs to National Party. Nawab Sanaullah, he was also 22nd Chief Minister. And lastly we have Jamal Kamal Khan. He entered office 2018 and he is now the Chief Minister of Balochistan. Here is the list of governors of Balochistan. So we will discuss about the governors. Recently we have discussed about the chief ministers and now we are going to discuss about governor generals. Okay, so here is first governor, General Riazul Hussain. He started his term 1st of July 1917 and his ended term was 25th December 1971. His status political affiliation was military. Secondly, Nawab Ghaus Bakhsh Raisani. He started his term from 29th December 1971 and he ended his term 13th of April 1972. He was independent candidate. Hassan Ali Fitra. He started his term 29th April 1972 and his ended term was 15th February 1973. He belongs to National Awami Party. Fourth governor of Balochistan was Nawab Akbar Khan Bhutti. He started his term 15th February 1973 and he ended his term 2nd January 1974. He belongs to Jamhuri Watan Party. Fifth governor was Ahmad Yar Khan. He started his term 2nd January 1974 and his ended term was 5th July 1977 and he was independent candidate. Khuda Bakhsh Mari. His term started at 5th July 1977 and his term ended at 18th September 1978. He was independent candidate. Here is the 7th governor of Pakistan, that was Rahimuddin Khan. He started his term 18th September 1978 and he ended his term 12th of March 1984. His status was military. 8th Governor General was F.S. Khan Lodhi. He started his term 22nd of March 1984 and he ended his term 18th November 1984. His status was also military. 9th Governor was Khushdil Khan Afridi. He started his term 18th November 1984 and his term ended at 13th December 1985. His status was also military. 10th governor was Musa Khan. He started his term 13th December 1985 and his ended term at 12th of March 1991. His status was also military. 11th governor was Mir Hazar Khan Koso. Mir Hazar Khan Koso started his term 12th March 1991 and his term ended at 13th July 1991. He was independent candidate. 12th governor was Gul Muhammad Khan Juzai. He started his term 13th of July 1991 and his term ended at 19th July 1993. He was also independent candidate. Abdul Rahim Durrani. He started his term 19th July 1993 and he ended his term at 19th May 1994. His status was military officer. 14th governor was Imranullah Khan. He started his term 19th May 1994 and his term ended at 8th April 1997. He belongs to Pakistan People's Party. 15th governor was Mir Abdul Jabbar. His started term was from 10th of April 1997 and his term ended at 22nd of April 1997. He was also independent candidate. 16th governor was Mughal Aurangzeb. He started his term 22nd of April 1997 and his term ended 17th August 1999. He belongs to Pakistan Muslim League N. 17th governor was Sayyid Muhammad Fazal Agha. His started term was from 18 August 1999 and his term ended at 12th October 1999. He was also independent candidate. Amirul Mulk Mughal. He started his term 25th October 1999 and his term ended at 29th January 2003. He was also independent candidate. 19th governor was Abdul Qadir Baloch. His started term was 1st February and his ended term was 11th of August. His status was military. 20th governor was Awais Ahmad Ghani. His started term at 11th of August 2003 and it ended his term as 5th of January 2008. He was also independent candidate. Justice Amanullah Yasin Zai. He started term at 5th of January 2008 and his term ended at 28th February 2008. He was independent candidate. 22nd governor was Nawab Zulfikar Ali Bagzi. He started at his term at 28th February 2008 and he ended his term 11th of June 2013. He belongs to Pakistan People's Party. 23rd governor was Muhammad Khan Ajazai. He started his term as 11th of June 2013 and he belongs to Pakhtunkhwa Mini Awami Party and now our governor of Balochistan is Amanullah Khan Yasin Zai. He started his term from the 4th October 2018 and he is now the governor of Balochistan present. Okay, now we have discussed today the chief ministers and governors of Balochistan. Thank you so much.